So it is again telling me that the string in row 1 and the casing in row 3 and the casing and tubing, the configuration has an outer diameter greater than or equal to the hole size that the calculation cannot be performed. So we have to change those. So first of all, we can say, let's first go back and look at our well trajectory. And first look at what we did for our well path here. That's what we had, and now in casing and this, we need to reduce the outer diameter for this to something smaller, maybe let's use 16, so that it can fit in. So click on this and then we go to OK, and then we have to again change the grade. We have to put in this, and then we change the grade, change the name, so the grade, and okay, that's very fine. So I'll click on this next one. Okay, I think the challenge is on I want to make this 18 and 5/3 again. I've seen what the challenge is, why it is not working out, so I'm going to correct it. 55. So if you look at the inner diameter here and the inner diameter here, there are two different values. So we have to this outer diameter and then this one are two different values. So we have to work on it so that we don't get an error when we reach the calculation here, where it is saying it at section row 1 for casing, row 1 under casing and tubing has not been fully entered, missing some calculation. This is what is missing here is this, which I've actually input the grade, so for the error, as you can see, we have our hole sizes here, so our value should be below the whole section. That's what I'm going to do. So when I come here in this section, so I look at my outer diameter, meaning my whole section should be quite larger than that. I can choose a whole section of 16. I'm going to make this one a bit larger, maybe let me go back to 18, because the whole section is 22. One is 18, we can use actually 20, whole section of 20, so we come down here and we correct it. So we change the values that we have here and change the grade K55 and we change the name rest of the information is okay. So we come to the surface casing. We also make sure that okay, this is in the same range, and then we come to the next one, which is the intermediate casing, and then you have to put in the whole section. The whole section here we can use this. So we remain in range, which works for us. So we come, if I go back a bit, so you can just come here and click saying the high hanger depth for is unidentified. So hanger depth here, I'm going to also put it at 0. The hanger depth here, I'm going to put it at the base of this. I'm going to use 4,000. I'm going to use 4,250. So now let me use this calculate, put results and click on calculate. So I'm going to go on results and I click on calculate, then I'm calculating, so it's calculating so that it can give me my results. So we are done for here. The next thing we are going to go through is our results. Thank you.